Hey guys, Dan with True North Motos. Today we're going to do a quick video of an overview and install of our hand shield turn signals. These will install in basically any wraparound or flag style handguard, as long as you can drill a 7/16 hole in it and you have enough room behind that guard to clear the signal in the back part of it. So we're going to jump down to the bench. This is what you're going to get in your kit. So these are a 3D printed, pliable back for the signal to protect the wiring that's going to come out of the back once we get this in there. Of course, the sticker that adds 5 horsepower to your bike, make sure to throw that on there. One of these still has the lock nut on it. I have removed the other one, which is right here, from this one, just to kind of speed up this install. So it's pretty simple. We're gonna drill a 7/16 hole. I've already kind of pre-marked these. These are SXS handguards, which we like to run on a lot of our bikes. But you can see it's kind of hard. It's silver mark. The mark I put here. So I've already checked clearance with this behind it on the bike. So you're going to have that lock nut and this cable guide coming out the back right here. So you want to make sure that you have enough clearance there. And then I like to take a pair of calipers or a ruler, whatever you want to use, and just kind of find 2 points on your handguard where you're going to want to get there, and double check those handguard to handguard that you're lined up. Okay, so we're good there. So then I'll go to the top. And we're good there. So now we're going to take a pilot bit. We're just gonna go to the hole that you marked, go slow and get it started, and then run it on through. And I'm gonna do just one in this video to kind of save some time and keep it shorter for you guys. It's gonna be the exact same on side to side. So we're gonna take the 7/16 bit. This is the important size because that's the size that this base threaded part on the signal is. So okay, if you got graphics, just kind of clean up your edge. There, and we got a nice hole there. So from here, all you're going to do is take this signal, gonna run it on through. I like to line that up so it's kind of flat because I'm neurotic and I just like it to look uniform side to side. Then you're gonna take your lock nut. You can do this with the flags on the bike. Just be careful when you're drilling, you don't nick your master cylinders or anything like that. I like to take the flags off the bike when I do it. That's why we're doing it on the bench. And then, important part, to make sure these little lock nuts don't back out, dab a medium strength Loctite in there. I will snug this up. Make sure it's straight. And give it a hard final snug. Now that you have that done, you can take the big end of the protective cover, run the connector through it like so, run that down, and it's gonna push over the threads just like so. And then this handguard is gonna come up. This is a bike that we're building for a customer. Basically it's gonna sit right here, and you just kind of guide the wire guide. You can pivot it, and I like to run the wires down with all the other wires right here, and you have plenty of room. Sometimes you make a little loop at the bottom and plug them in, but that is all that there is to it. These are lifetime warranty. You break these signals, pay shipping, I send you a new set. Thanks for checking it out.